Hey guys, Urine here, and today we're going to be answering your questions and statements. Let's get into it. So we started off with a good one, and I was told make a porn. I don't know how you make a porn, but either way, I told him back I need a question, not a statement. He said, "Oh, can you make a porn?" So I have to answer that. With who? The next one is a statement. Someone telling me that I scare them. Boo. Sorry, I scare you. We'll hopefully find out why I scare you later on. The next one says, how do you keep a husband happy? Well, make him a gosh dang sandwich once in a while, but at the same time, expect a sandwich back once in a while. Equality. This next one is, what is my most embarrassing story? Well, there's a few that I could put here, some less than others, but I mean, since I'm a very sensitive person, I'd have to say it's anytime I've been yelled at. So here's a fun one for you. Anyone in band, you already know this, but just recently, I've walked into a female's restroom. Long story short, I got my head yelled at. Yes. Long story short, I got my head yelled. That was pretty embarrassing. But at the same time, it's kind of funny now. Next question. The next one I kind of looked at, and I had to look up the lyric. I looked it up because I thought maybe it's lyrics, but no, someone got really creative. So at the same time, it's kind of gross. They said, I'm hot, take a squat. I know some thoughts with some blood shots. I don't know whether they mean like blood shots. Either way, I feel like I don't want to talk to these thoughts with blood shots. I'd much prefer the girls I am going after. Yes, you heard that right. I like females. That's surprising, isn't it? The next one, I'm going to have to get a little explicit. Someone said send me newts. I gotcha. Hold on. You liking this? I know I'm liking this. You should too. I don't know. How about you? Just kidding, it's shorts. Who would send nudes? That leaves a digital footprint. You also actually made me put on more clothing than I had on before. Let's just say I wasn't wearing shorts. Next question. The next one says, how many eggs can you crack on your head? Well, depending on the amount of eggs I have, well, say I had 2 eggs, well, I could crack 2 eggs on my head. Say I had all the eggs in the world. I could crack all the eggs in the world on top of my head. You just need to give me enough time. It doesn't say how much time I have, so we'll put anywhere from 0 to infinity. You're welcome. Next question. The next one asks, why are you so good looking? Well, let me show you a little clip on why I so good looking. And you flop on there. Next question. This next one asks, why are you so good with the ladies? Well, if I were so good with the ladies, I'd have a girlfriend. However, I have made a little montage to show you why I'm so good with the ladies. Roll it! Problem. The next one says, make birds and the bees talk. So, I don't really know the age of the viewers I have on here, so we're going to go a little less explicit than you'd expect me to. So, kids out there, say you go to your local bakery and you request a donut. Maybe 2 or 3 donuts if you're that kind of guy. Then you go to the meat department and you get a hot dog. Just one. Unless you're weird. I mean, I won't call you weird. I'm sorry about that. Go ahead, get as many hot dogs as you'd like. Say you walk home and you have 1 to, let's hope you aren't going past 3 donuts on the table. Take your hot dog, or less known as a wiener. I'm not going to say purposely shove it in there. Just place it. I don't want to be too explicit for the little kids out there. But that's basically how it works. Next one says, why don't you do more funny videos? You know what? It's been hard, okay? I have been trying my best. And you're telling me that my best is not good enough. You know what? I could just quit. Depending on what you say next, which obviously isn't going to be mean. I could just quit. I could just quit. Okay? And they said, LOL, JK, love your videos. I love you too. You kind of scared me there. Their question is, do I really like going to high school and what is my hobby? I like going to high school, yes. Do I like all of the work? No. Do I like all of my classes? Yes. Do I like the girls there? Yes. What is my hobby? Well, you're watching it. I'm sorry. You probably don't want to be watching it. The last one here says, you're kind of homosexual. Well, after taking the time to genuinely look up the word homosexual, we find out it means liking the same gender. Well, it's time for me to come out, okay? Yeah, see that closet back there? You don't. But either way, time for me to come out of it. Hold on. Shh. Is that really how I want to end this video? No, it's not. Either way, the ending is going to be terrible, so just kidding. I need to think about how I'm going to end it, because I always do it. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe. If you guys want more Q&A videos, comment down in the comment section. More questions. I'm HC Urine, and goodbye. Oh yeah, this is kind of a typical thing now, so Good job, Aaron. Thanks, Aaron.